Hello everybody, Andrew here with Amelia Island Virtual Tours, and today I am visiting the lovely Boneyard Beach. This is one of my favorite spots to visit near Amelia Island, and it's a location that I always recommend visitors take a peek at if they're interested in seeing some of the natural sights around Amelia Island. And Boneyard Beach gets its name from these beautiful oak trees that cover the beach that have been completely bleached and worn down by the sun and the surf. You can see this one's still got a little bit of bark on parts, but most of it is beautiful and worn and completely smooth. So these things are a lot of fun to climb on. The beach itself is a mile long. It's part of the Big Talbot Island State Park. It's a popular destination for families and photographers because of all the beautiful vistas. We've got these 20-foot bluffs here between us and the rest of the park, and you've got all these amazing driftwood trees. There's no swimming allowed here, but you can go fishing. So it's a popular spot for fishermen to visit as well. And really, I just like coming down here and walking around and climbing all over the trees and seeing some of the interesting seaside wildlife. There's little crabs you'll spot scuttling around on some of these things. And the park itself is pretty nice too. You park up there and then you walk down a nice little trail and you come down to the beach itself. And it's just a great spot to visit. Today, not much of a breeze, so it's a little more buggy than usual. Maybe bring a little bug spray if you're coming here in the warmer months. A lot of times though, there's a good amount of wind here. So on those days, good place to fly a kite. And that usually takes care of the bugs down here by the shore at least. I'll see if I can get some footage of some of the cooler driftwood pieces here. You can see some of them form these little tidal pools. You'll find little crabs. And again, these things are just a lot of fun to climb around on. But I hope you'll enjoy taking this walk with me down the beach. Of course, the video is in 360, so you can look around while you're watching. Interestingly enough, the beach gets its name from the trees and their resemblance to bones, but there have also been mammoth fossils discovered nearby by archaeologists. So, the trees are not the only bones on the beach. Anyway, if you come to Amelia Island, you can get to Boneyard Beach by going down the First Coast Highway. Big Talbot Island is immediately south of Amelia Island, so it's a short drive, and it's a fun place to stop by while you're visiting. Or if you're a local and you've never been. Well, here's my date, so I think I'm going to go play a game of ball. But thanks for watching, everybody, and if you're visiting Amelia Island, stop by Boneyard Beach and see some of our natural sights.